Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Susukkie brand 4-pack of glass soup containers. These have lids, they're square. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, try them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get the box open, should be relatively simple. Now here's the cool thing. So these are becoming pretty standard. I see these all over the place nowadays, but the nice thing here is the ability to kind of pop this open and be able to kind of microwave with this on if you want, because that way it'll be able to vent the air. But either way, continuing back here, we'll get a couple more of these. Looks like we have 4, I think, in total. So you'll have 2 there. Remove that. So we'll have this pair, and of course this pair as well. And as you can kind of tell, this comes with the top already sealed. So we're going to just take that off by popping all 4 sides and just show you exactly how this closes up. So real simple. Literally, you're just going to put it right on top, and you're going to just press into the positions. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes you do need to kind of swing them to different sides to make sure they get the click. At least that's been my experience, so don't be afraid to do that. They're pretty sizable, which is really nice. Stackable, as you can imagine. So it is a 4-pack. I'm going to throw some stuff in there and show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. So this is a perfect use case. Just taking some chicken noodle soup out of one container for microwaving capabilities. The beauty here is, again, we're just going to pop this thing open, seal it up, and use it for there. So these things are awesome, totally worth buying. Hopefully the review helped, and thanks for watching.